Before we jump into the step-by-step guide, the question needs to be asked: can you actually get Indeed reviews removed? The answer is yes. It's possible to delete Indeed reviews, but it's not always straightforward. Indeed has set criteria for what types of reviews can be taken down. Reviews that are fake, offensive, or violate privacy can often be removed. The process requires patience and a bit of know-how, and we'll share all of the steps you need for success. Step 1. Evaluate the reviews with Indeed's community guidelines. When you're trying to delete an Indeed review, it's important to align with the platform's community guidelines. Before you jump straight into trying to remove a review, take some time to align your arguments for removal with Indeed's policies. Step 2. How to report Indeed reviews. First, locate the negative review you want to report on the Indeed website. Now click on the Report button. Select the reason for reporting the review from the provided options. Provide any additional comments or context to support your report, explaining why it violates Indeed's content guidelines. Submit your report for review by Indeed's moderation team. Indeed will then review your report and take appropriate action based on their policies and the nature of the reported review. Step 3. Escalate Indeed review removal requests to Indeed support. If reporting the negative Indeed review doesn't result in its removal, you might need to escalate your removal request to Indeed support. To contact Indeed's customer support and escalate your review removal request, you can try any of these options. You can send an email to Indeed's customer support team through their contact form or direct email address provided on their website. Try calling Indeed's customer service number for more direct communication. Indeed's Help Center or FAQ section provides further guidance for escalating issues. Contacting Indeed through their social media channels like Twitter, Support Twitter, Instagram, LinkedIn, or Facebook can sometimes offer quick responses. If all else fails, use the online chat support Indeed offers on their website. Remember to keep these points in mind throughout the process. Indeed does not offer an immediate delete option for reviews. Reviews will only be removed if they violate Indeed's guidelines. Reporting a review does not ensure its removal. Negative feedback that doesn't violate Indeed's policies typically won't be removed. Patience is key, as the review evaluation process can take some time. And that's it. For more tips and support, check out the full guide about how to remove Indeed reviews on our website in the description below.